Welcome to Locksmith Catonsville. Auto Key Locksmiths Catonsville MD. Do you have an emergency, whether you have broken key, locked out of your car, your baby is locked in car? Don't worry, help is just one call away. 410-982-6751. Our technicians know everything there is to know about locks, keys and ignitions. We use only the best and most qualified technique. So call us to enjoy our offers. Our locksmith can be the best you are looking for lost key. With us can save you money. Customers' satisfaction is highly guaranteed. Contact us, www.keylocksmithcatonsville.com, 410-982-6751.